Hi, I'm David, welcome to another video, and we're taking a look at our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 2 digital safe. This is us, London and Home County Safes, on www.londonsafes.co.uk. Check us out online and see what people are saying about us on Trustpilot and in Google. So the Sussex Eurograde 1 size 2 digital safe is the first size up from the size 1, which is on the left hand side here. There's 7 sizes in total. Most of these sales that we make of these Eurograde 1s tend to be either size 1 on the left here, size 2 that we're looking at now, or size 3 on the right hand side, which is the key locking version that I've got on the bench today. You can see the relative size differences between the two. Sorry, I mean the three, probably better seen from this view. They're all the same height. Okay, so the dimensions externally of the size 2 are 410mm high, 415mm wide, and 345mm deep. I'm going to open the safe up now and take a look at the inside and give you the internal dimensions. To open the safe is really easy. This battery operated keypad has 6 digits. The default code is 1 through 6, which is no secret. You'll change it to your own code when it's your safe. You turn the keypad like that, then you turn the handle, and that opens the safe to reveal the inside. And we're looking at internal dimensions of 334mm high, 355mm wide, and 225mm deep. We have a weight of 75 kilograms. Internal storage capacity is 27 litres, and this safe has a repositionable shelf. As you can see, it can be in any of those 4 positions or removed entirely. This range also rated for 30 minutes fire protection for your papers and documents and things like that. Eurograde safe, which means it's approved and tested to EN1143-1 Grade 1, which means it's suitable for storing for insurance purposes up to £10,000 in cash or up to £100,000 in valuables. And this is going to give you automatic approval by your insurance company because of that Euro grading. Supply and install these safes, and they're going to be bolted into your property, and you're going to get a certificate showing the method statement of how it was installed, which is very important. It can be bolted down either to the floor through that fixing hole, or just above the shelf there into the wall with that fixing hole. We always try and use both wherever the customer's property will allow it. Just throw the bolts out so you can get an idea of the strength of this safe. Bolt down the bottom, 3 on the side, 1 on the top. Very heavy, very thick, very strong door. Usual drill resistant materials and things that are required for the certification. Let's just take a look at the keypad. The keypad is electronic, it's battery operated. You would set your own code, but to open it and change your battery is really easy. Just pull this little door down that's hinged at the bottom, and there you have a 9-volt battery. It's very much like changing the battery on a smoke alarm. We use a pro cell or an industrial cell. We find those to be the best. That's really easily done. So let's take a look at storage capacity. What can you fit in this safe? I tend to use a can of Coca-Cola as an object that most people are familiar with as a household item, and I pop it in the safe. It gives you a good idea, well, most people think it does anyway, a good idea of what the safe will hold. We also have a luxury watch box that I'm going to pop in now, type of box that fancy watches come in. Pop it in the safe, get an idea of what the safe will hold. The last test is a piece of A4 paper, which you can see you can get plenty of in this safe. It's not suitable for folders, A4 folders or foolscap folders. They won't quite fit in there, but they will in the size 3, which I've got one here to the right of me, which is a little bit deeper, and that extra depth enables you to get those folders in. That'll be another video. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us, and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. Then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally, we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable. You can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well, and these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. So in summary, that's our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 2 digital safe, and we supply and install these in these areas. It's free delivery and free installation. That's professional installation, and we cover London, Bedfordshire, Berkshire, Buckinghamshire, Dorset, Essex, Hampshire, Hertfordshire, Gloucestershire, Kent, Middlesex, Oxfordshire, Surrey, East Sussex, West Sussex and Wiltshire. And this is us, londonsafes.co.uk, and you'll find this safe on there. And thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.